I just wanted to do a real quick thing here. I found another box of Hardbody studs, okay, so factory length, stock length, and I think in other video I was talking about how I had longer ones for a factory application. You know, they're like the rear wheel drive on one of their Nissan's minivans or something like that. Anyway, I found two boxes with these longer ones in, and there is the Napa part number 641-2785. And it says they are an M12 by 1.25 by 46.5 millimeters long. Box of 5, no clue what they cost because, you know, I bought these things years ago. They've been sitting around. That's at least a starting point for the reference to figure out what these came on.